Hi Sir Rojo Batay, this is my significant learning experience in each module. This semester, each module taught me something meaningful, not just as a student, but as a person. What really made an impact on me was how every lesson connected to who I am as a letter knight, someone who belongs to a family, a church, and a bigger society. In the first module, I learned a lot on how God's love life us. It made me slow down and really think about myself, my habits, my strengths, and the things I still need to improve. It reminds me that being a Letronite is not just about academic, it's also about character. It taught me that growth starts with being honest with myself. The second module made me reflect in our class. I realized that sometimes a small words can make a creative explanation forget the impact of small things. Which student can identify by Bible passage that speak of caring for God? In the third module, I reconnected with my faith. It made me see that my relationship with God doesn't rely on how often I attend church, but on how I treat others every day. It encouraged me to practice patience, kindness, and humility even when it's difficult. In the fourth module, I opened my eyes to my role about relationship with Jesus. It made me realize that even small action like being responsible, respectful, and mindful can affect the world around me. As a letter knight, I carry values that I should show wherever I go, whether people are watching or not. In the fourth and last fifth module, I learned about balance or balancing my responsibility, my personal life, and my mental well-being. This module taught me taking care of myself is also part of being responsible. It reminds me that I can serve others better when I am grounded, healthy,